Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 5:25 p.m. and I'm back again. I'm Dr. Seema Jain, your host right now. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst, partner to all major stockbroking firms, and founder and chief mentor at StockPro. So I'm going to do another sector analysis for you. I've been doing it in the past. I've made two sector analysis and I've done one video on certain stocks. So I want to take you here on my YouTube channel. So these are the two sector analysis that I have done, and I have done, I have figured out some stocks for you here. So this was a video I would like to show you here. This was the video that I have made for you. And if you see here, I've given three stocks only three stocks, right? The stocks were uh, Ramco Siemens, Bosch, and Dr. Reddy's, right? This date was 23rd July. So I just want to freeze it here only. Ramco, Bosch, and Dr. Reddy. Let's see what happened after 23rd. And I'm going to keep a time frame of 1 day, and we will see what happened in each of these stock. So the first stock that we had on our radar was Dr. Reddy's, right? So let's see what happened on after 23rd. How did this stock move? So this is where I made the video for you. 23rd was somewhere here. We were here. This is where I made the video for you. And I've given you that buy above this place, 4186, right? Once it crossed this, you see it is unstoppable. It has given you almost 400 points. Starting from 4183 to 4553. So that was the first stock I gave you. You can see the date here. Everything is digital stamping. There is nothing that I can hide or say anything. I had given you Bosch after that, right? USCH. So I had given you Bosch Limited, and let me have a look what happened after that. There was 20. So I've given buy above this line, right? Which is 14,000 is what my buy price was. It has not given a breakout. But still this deal is on, this stock is on. The moment the day it's going to cross 14,000, you will see a blast in the stock. The other stock that I had given you was Ramco Cement, right? That was my another stock that I had given. I want you people to please appreciate the kind of hard work that has been done. So I have suggested buy above this place, right? 676. This is 23rd, 21st, 22nd. This is 23rd, right? So we definitely will buy above this, isn't it? We can't buy below that. This was 23rd. Above that, it crossed on 28th, and straight away it gave you almost 30 points, straight away 30 points. So that was the analysis. And then I want to take you to the fertilizer stocks that I had given you. So you can verify. I wouldn't take you to the trading view and show it. I had given Chambal Fertilizer at 145. It gave 17% return, right? Is it 17%? I don't think so. It should be 17. It should be higher, right? Why? Because 145 minus 173 minus 145, right? 173 minus, just calculate along with me, guys. Help me out fast. So this gives me 28. 145, this gives me 28, and divided by 145. So it gives 19% return, right? Not 17, but that's okay. National Fertilizer, I have given a buy at above 47. It made a high of this, 11% return. It's still at the cost price. SPIC, I have given Southern Petrochemical Industry, something like that. From 18, it has made a high of 25 rupees, which is, you know, a high of 40 profit of 40%. Then I have given NFL, National Fertilizer Limited. From 30, it made a high of 45, which is return of 50%. Then I've given Deepak Fertilizer buy above 115, made a high of 122.6, which is 42% return, right? That's 42% return. And this was which video? It was somewhere here, sector analysis. Fertilizers, I gave fertilizers before I gave the This is the sector analysis, and this date was 14th July. So you can have a look at it, and you will be able to see the everything that I have given you. I'm 100% sure it's this day only. So this is where I have given. You can see I have just picked up the data from so these are the Deepak. You can see Chambal Fertilizer, Rashtriya Chemical Fertilizer, SPIC, NFL, and Deepak Fertilizer. And this date was 14th of July. Then I have given you another sector which was sugar sector, right? In sugar sector also there has been good movement in the stocks that I had given. So I am back with another sector, and to be very honest, it takes a lot of effort to filter out all these trades, these stocks. So today my sector is going to be pharma sector, and I have picked up 4 stocks: Ajanta Pharma, Sun Pharma, Strides Pharma, and Wockhardt Pharma, right? So of course you know that all the pharma sector companies are just running, like if you name it, Dr. Reddy's, or you talk about Divis, or you talk about Glenmark, you talk about Cadila, you talk about Sun Pharma. The pharma is just unstoppable, right? So here I'm going to take you, and one after the other I'm going to talk about each of them. So first is Ajanta Pharma. So here is Ajanta Pharma. This is Ajanta Pharma. So see here what has happened in this particular stock. It has broken this consolidation zone with a lot of volumes, right? This zone was a very strong consolidation zone. Today it has broken it. So we will be buying it above this place, right? 1650. Above 1650, we will be buying it. So that's what I have written here. Buy above 1560 or 1660, doesn't matter much. Then we have Sun Pharma Advanced Research, right? I should make a little difference between these, otherwise you will be all confused. So here we go. Spark. This is also short named as Spark. So this is Sun Pharma Advanced Research. And see here, the kind of consolidation is taking place for a lot of time, right? So what we have to do is we're going to trade it only after it breaks the closest resistance. This is a very prominent resistance. It has experienced in the past as well. So we will be buying it above 185, right? That's my second stock. Then we have Strides Pharma, right? Which is nothing but star, right? Which is nothing but star. So STAR and Strides Pharma. This is how Strides Pharma look. So this is again in a consolidation zone. So I have made a video upon consolidation zone, because whenever a big company has to buy, they don't buy in one go, right? All the stocks, they buy in bits and pieces, they buy in small quantities. So what happens, the stocks of any company are basically limited stocks. So what happens when the stock reaches almost its demand and supply? So if the demand increases, like now a lot of people get to know, okay, we need to buy star, so they will start rushing to buy this stock. So what will happen, demand will increase and the supply will reduce, because the stocks are basically limited, people have already accumulated. So what will happen, there will be a sudden jump in the price that'll start taking place. So you have to buy it above 441, right? Our target will be definitely 50 points from this place, can be our a few days or few weeks target. So that was my third stock. Then we have Wockhardt Pharma. So Wockhardt Pharma, I have already given it to my members, right? And Wockhardt Pharma. So here we go, WOCK. So guys, if you like my videos, if you like my hard work, please share the channel with others. Please give a thumbs up and write some comment. It makes me feel happy. I get very encouraged, and I get motivated to write, to do my research and share something more with you people. So here, again, Wockhardt Pharma is in a very strong zone. Breaking this particular zone will give it a blast till about 10% blast can definitely be expected. So, and another thing that you can do is read the price action. Here, then here, then here, then here, and then here, right? If I just see it's a line, it's a trend line that is getting formed. So that means this trend line is getting supported, and hence it looks very, very strong trade as of now, right? Above this place, I can definitely be expecting some kind of a move. And let me just remove this drawing, and you can ask me to analyze any sector for you. If you are interested, please write in the comment box which sector you will be interested for me to analyze for you, right? Because let's have a two-way communication, because that will help me also understand what you people are looking for. But these are the see. Now something that I would like, see, nice triangular channel is getting formed. Something that I want to tell you people, that don't chase the stocks which have already gone up, like Dr. Reddy, Glenmark, not Glenmark, Dr. Reddy, Cadila, Sun Pharma, Divis. These have moved really, really, and Torrent Pharma. These have moved massively. But we should not chase the ones which have already gone up. We should look for the breakouts, right? Where the breakout is about to happen. So this looks good to me. This is Wockhardt. So again, let's come back. This is your sheet where you can come back and check. So Ajanta Pharma above 1650, we can make it. Oh, sorry. 1650. Ajanta Pharma above 1660, Sun Pharma Advanced Research above 185, Strides Pharma above 441, and Wockhardt Pharma above 280. And in case you are wondering what should be the stop loss, your stop loss should be 5%, right? But the kind of research, when I do the research, I almost am sure that my stop losses will not hit. Why? Because I will only take entry when the institutional investors have taken the entry. So my entries are based on the institutional buy and sell, and hence you will find very rarely my stop losses will be hitting, right? It is a particular setup that I use, the StockPro setup, but at that also we look for something where I get to see that there is an institutional activity, and this is all taught in my program. If you want to reach out to my team, you can just call up or look into the description box. These are the ways you can reach out to my team, and you can be present on my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. You can be present here. We have given just one stock today. That was Century Textile, right? Just one stock today I have given, Century Textile, in FNO. And look at how it just blasted, right? I will show you here. So my stock of today was Century Textile, right? We have bought it, and see here, it has given a good move, right? I'm just going to make it 15 minutes so that you can see. So this was the move that the stock has given. So this was a unidirectional trade. A unidirectional trade is that trade which doesn't come down to hit your stop loss. So this was our trade for today. I have also given Sun Pharma, although there was a huge volatility, but in spite of all that, we could manage to make good money. So this is how the stock moved. The third stock that I had given was Ambuja Cement. That was, and Wipro also we have given for a sell side. So this is how Wipro just went on down in the downward direction continuously. So that was our sell stock. So with this, I'm signing off. Hope you are present on the YouTube channel. Hope you are present on the Telegram channel for live updates. But in case you are not, please join it, and please remain connected to our Telegram channel. You will find a lot of gifts from our side, and you will really feel them meaningful, because it's not random stuff that we do, right? It is very, very highly done research that we do, based on which we give these trades. All right, take care. Bye bye. See you. So once again, just to conclude, I have given this time the stocks from the pharma sector: Ajanta Pharma, Sun Pharma, Strides Pharma, Wockhardt Pharma. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow maybe.